Hi and welcome to DH Squared. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sonos One SL speaker. So I just recently upgraded to the Era 100s and now I'm going to be resetting these and selling these on the secondary market. So in order to do that, what we're going to have to do is hold down this button on the back while we plug it into the wall. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's hold down this button while we plug it into the wall. Now what you're gonna see is you're gonna see this light blinking on top. And it's gonna blink for quite a while. So let's just keep an eye on that. Then it's gonna go flashing between orange and white. So keep your finger on the button. And we're gonna keep our finger on the button until it goes solid green. So there it's solid green. Now we can let go of the button and it's factory reset. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks.